Alright guys, I'm just going to give you a quick run through of this Firebase application. Really all the changes I needed to make other than simply just adding a few buttons on some other pages were within this home activity.java. And what I did there was, of course, set these on-click listeners for the logout and delete buttons to call the logout and delete functions. Within the logout function, we check if the user is not null, and if they are, we call the auth.signout, and then just show a text on the screen that says signing out. Otherwise, in case for some reason the user is null, just as a safety check, we still show some text that says not signed in, and then eventually we start a new activity to bring us to the login activity from the current home activity that we're on. Next, in the delete function, we have a Firebase auth.get instance and also a Firebase user, and we call a user delete on that. And if that task is successful, we'll log a little bit of information. And lastly, I'll make some text appear on the screen that says, this should actually say account deleted. And then we log out, because if we're deleting an account, we may as well bring the user back to the home screen. So let's run this application here. So as you can see currently within my Firebase application for the mobile ICP 5, in the authentication, there are no current users for the project. Let's move that out of the way, and we'll do sign up. So I'll input some information. This is my basic information. And we'll do a basic password, 123, 123, 123. And we will create an account. So, create user with email, it says it was a success. So now I can sign into that account, as it brings me to the sign-in page. Again, 123, 123, 123. We'll sign in. And since I'm already registered, we go into this real-time database. And here I can put some information in if I wanted to change it, such as my name, for example. We'll call it Jimmy David, since that's my middle name. And we'll put a phone number in, 111-111-1111. So we can save this, and you can see this gets saved up here, as well as the database. And I should show in this database, if I refresh the page, that user is now part of the authenticated users within the Firebase. Additionally, if I wanted to delete this, this brings me back to the sign-in page. And if we come in here, refresh the page, there are no users for this. So the account was successfully deleted. That about sums up the primary task for this Firebase application. In the next video, I'll be covering a bit over the SQLite application.